Hello everyone, welcome to Best One channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 mini belt sanders. Please subscribe to the channel, click the bell icon, and many thanks to those who have already subscribed. If you like the video, don't forget to like and comment. Let's get started with the video. Item number 5 in our list is Vever Belt Disc Sander. Specifications. Brand name, Vever. Model number, BD4803. Voltage, 120 volts. Rotation speed, 5.0 amp. Maximum speed, 3,450 RPM. Dust port outer diameter, 63.5 millimeters. Sanding disc size, 152.4 millimeters. Certification, CE. Item number 4 is Electric Mini Belt Sander. Specifications. Brand name, Concest. Model number, Jonk 34 Wuzzy 8. Type, belt sander. Usage, commercial manufacture. Variable speed, no. Power source, electricity. Sand pad size, 30 by 380 millimeters. No load speed, 0 to 10,000 R/min. Rated input power, 350 watts. Rated voltage, 110 volts. Weight, 2.65 kilograms. As the item number 3 we've selected, also mini belt sander. Specifications. Brand name, Awesome. Model number, BG3202. Motor type, brushed. Sand pad size, 533 by 30 millimeters. No load speed, 7,000 R/min. Rated input power, 120 watts. Frequency, 50 Hz to 60 Hz. Rated voltage, 220 volts to 230 volts. Type, belt sander. Usage, home DIY. Is customized, yes. Variable speed, yes. Power source, electricity. Weight, 2.95 kilograms. Item number 2 is Mini Polishing Grinding Machine. Specifications. Brand name, Tongue Full. Model number, 201910241126. Type, belt sander. Usage, commercial manufacture. Is customized, yes. Power source, electricity. Application, polishing grinding. Sand pad size, 15 to 25 millimeters. No load speed, 40-100 to 90-100. Frequency, 50 to 60. Rated voltage, 12 to 24 volts. Weight, 2 kilograms. On the top of our list at number 1 we have, Mini Belt Sander. Specifications. Brand name, Tourise. Motor type, brushless. Usage, commercial manufacture. Power source, electricity. No load speed, 4,000 to 9,000 per minute. Rated voltage, 12 to 24 volts. Color, silver. Is customized, yes. Variable speed, yes.
Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing and all the products mentioned in this video. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Hope you all have a great day and we'll see you back here soon.